Introducing an advanced bonding solution for the digital denture workflow, Rodin Glaze N2-Free. Designed to be paired with dentures printed from Rodin Titan and Rodin Denture-based 2.0, this workflow ensures optimal strength, stability, and natural-looking aesthetics for digital dentures. Instead of traditional bonding materials, Rodin Glaze N2-Free can also be used to securely lute the printed Titan tooth arch to the denture base. This innovative approach enhances bond strength while simplifying the workflow. To begin, place a small drop of glaze into each socket of the denture base. Once completed, seat the tooth arch into the base. As the components come together, excess glaze naturally pools out from the interface. Instead of wiping it away, use it to coat the denture, providing additional aesthetic benefits and long-term protection. Brush downwards towards the bottom of the denture to ensure an even application. Remove any excess glaze from the intaglio surfaces, embrasures, and occlusal grooves to prevent interference with proper seating, function, and aesthetics. Using a micro-applicator brush, carefully clear any remaining glaze from the sockets to ensure precision and fit. This extra layer smooths the surface, increasing wear and stain resistance, while enhancing the final polish and appearance of the restoration. Cure the glaze using a curing unit. During the light curing process, the advanced formulation neutralizes the oxygen inhibition layer, ensuring a tack-free surface. Any extra touch-ups or refinements can also be cured with a handheld curing device to maintain a flawless finish. The end result is a seamlessly integrated, highly aesthetic and durable printed digital denture, delivering superior fit, function, and longevity. Upgrade your workflow today with Rodin Glaze N2-Free, the smart bonding solution for fully digital dentures. Thanks for watching. Check out our stain and glaze hands-on guide to enhance your prints. Also, check out the complete restorative solution at packdent.com.